There are multiple ways to obtain Portuguese residency through investment, either by €250,000 in capital transfers for investment, or support for artistic production recovery, or maintenance of national cultural heritage, or €500,000 in capital transfer to public or private scientific research institutions, or venture capital funds, or business investment of at least 5 permanent jobs over a 3-year period, or simply creating 10 new jobs. Portugal has alternative ways to obtain its residency, either through the D7 category, which is for passive income applicants, such as a pension or income from a rental property with a minimum of €760 a month, or the D8, commonly known as digital nomad visa, and as applicants who have a minimum income of €3,040 per month that's actively earned, such as a salary from a remote job or income from freelancing. If you want to know more details about Portuguese residency, contact Prime Team now.